The road trip begins. Kansas City bound Thursday evening. Should get in there just before midnight. Just started to rain here in Minneapolis, and it's going to take me about 6.5 hours, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, just depends on traffic. But I am looking forward to Kauffman Stadium and then hitting up Globe Life Park for the first time in Arlington. Not Dallas, not Fort Worth, Arlington. But I guess I'll just sit back, enjoy the view, get to see a lot of Iowa. Yeehaw. And until then, baseball tomorrow. Oh, look, we're in Iowa. Made it to Missouri just before 9 p.m. Left the Minneapolis area slightly after 4. Not too bad. About an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes until Kansas City. Hello, Missouri. And we will see you tomorrow night. 10:30 p.m. Made it into the hotel. Checking in, I am right across the street from Kauffman, so I am pretty stoked about that. Lucky number 124, that 24 being a Plouffe number, so wish I could see him. But Twins, Royals, tomorrow. I think I might sneak over there now and kind of check out Kauffman from the outside, what it's like when there's not a game going on. So maybe you'll see that right now. Good Friday late morning. Got some sleep and wanted to go to a vegan restaurant, but didn't want anything really that heavy. So I'm actually going to a kind of coffee shop and bakery place. Get a nice late morning snack and then just kind of hang out, go to a baseball game and rinse and repeat. Pirate's Bone. Not a sponsor, but damn good. Lemonade has cucumber and mint in it, and I got the Mexican torta, delicious, and there's a cucumber for you. And the lemonade, wonderful. Check it out if you're in KC, Pirate's Bone. Don't tell them that I sent you, because it doesn't matter. If you go on a road trip, I would highly suggest this album. It is some fantastic doom metal. Go check it out, please. Please, come on. Please. You know you want to. Get some sleep. Making a quick stop at Sonic for one of those pickle slushes. Let's try this out.
Welcome to Sonic. You can go ahead and order.
Yeah, can I get one of those pickle slushes?
Okay.
I'll do the large. The moment of truth. not as weird as I thought. It's kind of like a Gatorade missing the lemon lime flavor, or very under-flavored. I would suggest trying this. Go to Sonic, you guys. If you'll indulge me for a second, I have to practice my best Texan accent. All right, we here? Cool. All right, Texan. Texan, take one. All right, y'all. I think I cracked the code. This here Sonic, that pickle slush, I think I know the secret. It's this lemon lime with a little bit of pickle. A little bit of dill. I mean, that color ain't natural, y'all. That ain't pickle. That's lemon lime. And I know it. And I made it. It is Friday. Game day. As you can see, right outside the right field gate area, just in foul territory, waiting to get in. Let's see if there's any more people here. Twins bus in the background. They just got in and went through this entrance over here. So if you're looking for autographs, I would suggest getting here early, probably slightly after noon, and waiting over here, and you will probably be lucky. Just saw a bunch of the guys, and also I see some of my Minnesota friends, so let's go talk to them quick. Here at Kauffman, I have with me
Jimbo. Big Jake.
Tiva.
Where are you guys from?
Lakeville, Minnesota.
Plymouth, Minnesota.
Crystal, Minnesota.
How about just Target Field? That makes it a lot easier.
Take
Yeah,
two.
we're from Target Field.
What do you mean?
And what are you guys here to see today?
I am here to see the Kansas City Royals play the Minnesota Twins in a game of baseball.
I was told there was a mascot race.
Yeah,
That's what I'm here for.
I'd kick your ass.
I'm just here for the hot dogs.
$1.
We got Jimbo
it's
with
not a
us,
picture.
who's
It's
doing
not
a dare.
Oh, jeez.
All right,
What do I have to do?
Jimbo,
Yes.
I got the pickle slush at Sonic. Now you get to try. And how is it?
That's not good.
What does it taste like?
Pickles.
Can you get the lemon lime base at all?
I'm
Is it
tasting
sweet
straight.
enough?
Tasting straight pickle juice, homie.
Here early for the early bird tour, and as you can see, I'm right by the Hall of Fame. And this is not really my seat for tonight, but I needed a hard ticket because that's the way that I work. And lucky section number 433. So I take that as a sign that tonight is going to be good. And also, if you look back at that, here is the logo that is on those sweet baseballs. So hopefully one of those gets into my possession somehow tonight. Keep watching to see if that comes true. Podcast time. Go check out At the Gates on iTunes. In for early entry, you can see behind me, Rosel Herrera tossed one to me, and look at that. A nice 50th already on the board, so it's all gravy from here. Be happier. Now, to get into the luxury area, going down to the club level. Let's go down.
This is level 1. Crowd seats will be to your left.
It's always fun.
Double duty. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Ground plate.
Yes. Crown Club. Here it is. And we'll go straight out there. Nice little eating section over here. Nice little section over there. All you can eat. Ice cream bars. Other goodies. Good food here. salad. I am in section 1. And why is that special? Because 1A right here. Not too shabby. And look right in the dugout. Here, friends. This one is thanks to that police officer in the background. A Rosario foul ball in the 5th. Look at that beauty. Back behind right field. Kind of a cool little area here. Nice bar area. And I really like this concourse. It looks really, really cool. And as you can see, the giant scoreboard right there. So this would be the view of the field. So let's go check out what that would look like from right here. And this is the biggest thing that I think Target Field is missing. Nice, beautiful water. Nice sunset. For the first time in a long time, Twins lose when I am on the road with them. Made it close at the end. It was 6-2 going into the 9th. Bases loaded, they made it 6-5. And then a pop-up. Very close, great game. I love Kauffman. All in all, fantastic time. 6 balls, 2 commemoratives. On to Dallas. 1 a.m. in Emporia, I believe, Kansas. One of the last rooms left. This segment is brought to you by La Quinta Inn. La Quinta Inn, I don't know, you get some sleep. Good night. This video is now over. Watch next, the one from Dallas. As long as I wake up.